Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another unit for you guys featuring one of my favorite brands, of course, nadula.com. So if you're interested in anything you see, it's going to be listed down below for you guys, okay? But anyways, Nadula sent me their V-part wig, which is this baby right here. It's in the texture K Curly natural curly. As you guys can see, the length is a 24-inch if I'm not mistaken, and it is 150% if I'm not mistaken. I'll be sure to link all of their information down below. Alright, so guys, this is what the V part looks like. In case you don't know what a V part is something where you can leave a little bit of hair out or none at all. So for those of you guys who, you know, maybe you're doing a full-on protective style, you don't have to have any hair out. But right here, as you guys can see, this is how the hair looks directly out of the box. So this is how your hair will look, okay? I do have some hair pulled out, but I'm not going to style with my hair out in this particular video, okay? But right here, I'm just going to get the hair clean and conditioned, and once I'm done, we're going to move on to the next step. So now that the hair is nice and clean and well conditioned, I'm just going to go right in to styling this hair. You guys pretty much know how I style my wigs when I'm doing a wash and go. I like the hair to be drenching wet, and I like to use my Aussie Moist Curl conditioner. I don't like to use too much heavy products because I don't like the hair crunchy, but I'm just taking some of that conditioner and shingling the hair so that the hair can have a lot of definition. So it's the next day, and this is how my curls look once they have dried. As you guys can see, with the use of those products, those are the type of curls you will create. However, that is not the way it comes out of the box, okay? This is my braid pattern. Really, I just have two French braids down the middle, and the rest of my hair is in plaits. I also like to use a hydration mist just to make sure my hair is well hydrated, and I'm just adding some, yeah, let's just skip this part. But anyways, guys, this is how the inside of that wig looks. There is 5 clips in the unit. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm only going to use the 4 clips. I'm not going to use that back clip. I think it's pretty much unnecessary, okay? But this is how I install the wig. I'm going to open up those clips, and on the very edge of the French braid, I'm going to install those clips. So I'm not placing the clips over the French braid, I'm placing it behind it, okay? I'm just applying those clips on the outside of the braids. So as you guys can see, the braids are still very visible, okay? That is going to be your anchor for your crochet style, right? So this right here is a crochet needle. How you're going to use the needle is open it and then slide the needle underneath your braid. All right, now you're going to take a clump of curls, place that in the hook, then close the crochet needle and slowly pull the needle back under the braid. You want to keep pulling and don't stop until all the hair is on the opposite side of the braid and it looks like this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do it again. Take a clump of curl, open up that crochet hook, slide the needle underneath the French braid, place the hair inside the hook, and then close it and slowly pull the needle back underneath the braid fully until the hair is done going through the French braid, And it's that simple. Again, guys, open the hook, slide it under the braid, attach a piece of hair, close the hook, and then slowly slide the hair out. Okay, doing this method is extremely easy. I promise you guys, you're going to get it on your first try. This is how it looks if you do not want any leave out with this style. So you guys can see one side is done and the other side isn't. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, and yeah, I'll be right back once I'm done with that. Okay guys, we are finally finished. That really wasn't too bad, now was it? Okay, but I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the wig, and let's take a closer look at that V part gap. You guys can see it looks really good. I did miss one little spot. I did later fix it though, but it looks really good. Now, if you did do the crochet method like I did, you probably got a little bit of frizz from those curls. So I really recommend the African Pride Moisture Miracle Curl Defining Gel and Cream. Oh my gosh, guys. Place a little bit on the curl with maybe a little spray of water and just shingle the hair, and the hair is going to look so good. Like, I like to use this on my natural hair and it just never ever fails. All right, now with the top of the wig, and I notice this a lot with anyone who does the V part crochet method, it always looks really bulky. So I just placed a bit of my foaming wrap mousse and took my hot comb just to flatten it out, just so that it looks a little like more believable, I guess, and I think it looks all right. Now I did cut just a few pieces in the front because I just wanted to give it some style, and this is how my hair is now looking. Definitely manipulate the hair a bit just to make it a bit fuller, and this is how it's looking. I'm extremely satisfied with my results, guys. Y'all let me know. I mean, look at those curls, look at that V part area, and if you guys hit the wind, it doesn't look too bad, okay? But anyways, y'all, let's get into the angles of the hair. Like I mentioned before, I believe this hair is 24 inches long. I will leave it down below in case I am wrong. I may have forgotten, but I am 5'8", and that's where it hits me. Now, just for some quick styling tips, I just went ahead and created this look. You can do a lot with this style. You can even wear it to the side. You can, yeah, there's a lot of different styles you guys can create. Let me know, how do you guys feel about this? I feel like it looked really good in a nice ponytail. All right, but I've been watching a lot of videos on the V part, and I haven't seen anyone who actually did a video taking the wig off. I was always under the impression that I had to remove the braids, but no, it's actually really easy. What you want to do is just open up those clips and then anchor your finger like right under where the top of the braid is, and just pull it, and then the hair will just slide out. It's extremely easy, guys. You don't have to remove your braids. You know, just remove those clips and then anchor your finger underneath and just pull it, and each little section of curls will just easily slide out. All right, so yeah, guys. But anyways, again, this comes from nadula.com. This is their V-part natural curly unit. As you guys can see, I think this is a winner. I'm extremely excited. Let me know what you guys think of this wig, and I will catch you later. Bye guys.